How to search product by camera or image in Amazon app. To search for a product using a camera or image in the Amazon app is a very easy steps. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Amazon app on your smartphone or iOS or Android device. On the search bar, you will see a small camera icon located on the right side next to the magnifying glass. Tap on the camera icon to start a visual search. Now, capture an image of the product you want to search for or choose an image from your phone's gallery if you already have a picture of them. So here I am capturing an image of the product I want to search for. Now Amazon will automatically analyze the image and display similar products or the exact item if available. Browse through the search results to find the product you are looking for. You can refine the search results by filtering based on categories, ratings, price range, and etc. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.